Okay, finally, actually, happy sick day for Kitty. Kitty fell asleep. Humor that and, and, and then notices Kitten. Kitten is hurrying about the chocolate. Is he's dead at that, and then so we have a cute cute cat official channel. Yeah, we're on a cute cat. Subscribe now for the cute cat official. Cute cat official. So what so? And is have a sick day of their food to feed. And then when us have a sick day, oops, download now this game. It's called that itch, okay? No, this is not a game. Download the playground sim. It was so funny meme, the meme game. And because then watch till the end. Okay. Download now. So bye, the end. So then, after all, and did you excited to the love new song? Loves. Hey, how to walk? Why we walking? I can't do to walk. Wait. Okay, hold this. See you. Okay, for me. And that one, you will press the. Oh, you can hear. I don't know it. But this is so stupid. Gamer. Uh huh. Okay. So then, could you that? No water. Yeah. Look, look, guys. There is no water. It's also work. Yeah, it's working. Hey, it's working. It's have a water. And then this is our is 3:11 and 4. When it's 4, I will go outside and play with my friends. I'm drunk with my friends. What? Drink with your friends? Drunk with. The drunk is pronouns is drink, drank, 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 drink with the friend. It looks like